Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Coimbatore location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for RCM Process Associate position from Trillium Technologies LLC. So it is located in Coimbatore location, Tamil Nadu. So overall work experience is 1 to 5 years of experience is required, and qualification will be any graduation. And coming to job responsibilities, you should be knowing knowledge in file claims and also post payments. And coming to skills required, you should be having live experience in any of the above PM or EMR software, and knowledge of end-to-end revenue cycle management and excellent communication skills are required. And coming to candidate attributes, strong work ethic and drive to succeed at whatever you do, and also experience in healthcare revenue cycle management process and ability to learn and figure out medical billing with a new PM or EMR. Strong written and verbal communication skills are required, and also strong analytical and problem solving skills are required. So you please check with all the details provided here, and you can also check here with the education qualification details like any PM or EMR exposure, e-clinical works and all scripts, Cario and Next Gen and Greenway and new MD, and also DR Chrono. So you should be having knowledge on all these provided here. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available on the description. So you can have a look on the description once for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for senior manager position or CM. It is from Trillium Technologies LLC located in Coimbatore. So you should be having overall 5 to 12 years of experience, and in the above 3 years of experience is required in management, and education qualification will be any. And coming to job responsibilities, prioritize unpaid claims to work on based on years and outstanding amount, and assign unpaid claims to AR callers and their executives, and hire a team of AR callers and executives, and train and mentor AR callers and executives, establish policies and metrics for managing accounts receivable, and monitor production and manage a team of AR callers and executives. And coming to skills required, managing accounts receivables and end-to-end revenue cycle and communication skills. So these are the skills required for a candidate to apply for this senior manager position. Next, coming to candidate attributes available during US shift, and strong work ethic and also experience in healthcare revenue cycle management process, and also experience in managing a team of AR callers and AR executives, and strong written and verbal communication skills are required. Ability to prioritize and manage work queue, and strong analytical and problem solving skills are required for this job role. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available on the description for your reference. So you can have a look on that one. Next one, there is a job opening for service center supervisor position from DHL Express. It is for Coimbatore location. So coming to job description, firstly from under the supervision of operations, you need to organize appropriate shifts and managing levels to meet business requirements, and you make to ensure that incoming shipments are recovered, break bulk and inspected and cleared in the quickest and most efficient manner possible, and also manage receipt and lodgement of outbound shipments from country operations to ensure timely departure and uplift, and ensure accurate sorting and optimum loading of all inbound and outbound shipments, and also monitor ground handler and warehouse provider performance and complete all necessary reports. So these are all from supervision of operations. And under the safely and quality assurance, uh, ensure safe working practices and environment within the shift, and participate in gateway quality policy and initiatives, example ISO. So these are the all the details provided here for this job role. So you please go through with the information provided. And for more detailed information, or else if you want to apply for this position, you can have a look on the website link. It will be available on the description. Next one, there is a job opening for associate position for pricing NA. It is from Avantas, so it is for Coimbatore location. So coming to job summary, to be a part of a multidisciplinary team providing high quality customer services, the objective would be to support the pricing team by ensuring that all pricing conditions for defined countries are analyzed and reviewed on time. Extraction of pricing information from SAP for analysis or creation or amending, and also you need to prepare files for distribution to external sales after collating additional and also data and combining information in MS Excel, and analyze customers' current and potential spend and assist with the preparation of new pricing proposals based on defined country specific rules, and effective communication to internal and external sales, and to be responsible for loading pricing conditions into SAP based on local pricing policies and requirements, and running both SAP and QLIC view reports. And you need to attend all meetings, discusses issue, sends minutes, and follow up on action plan within the tag. So this is about the job description, and for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link available in the description. So you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for logistics officer position. It is from Oxol Nobel and it is for Coimbatore location. So coming to key responsibilities and also experience details. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the experience details in that you should be proficient in English spoken, and good negotiation skills are required, and job requires good interpersonal and leadership skills, and the person have a good capacity to have a vision for the future development of the logistics organization. So these are the experience details, and coming to responsibilities, close coordination with all sides, PFR and RDC team and central planning team for primary and secondary vehicle placements, and key MIS preparation and timely release to all stakeholder, and freight buying, ad hoc handling and vendor performance evaluation, and collation of various MIS from region and site and share insight around this, and value creation, participation and project initiation, key member for making H1 reason level cost and service chart and budgetary allocation, and end-to-end vendor payment cycle and NDC and timely creation of PO and GRA. Monitor daily the calls for trucks and the trucks placed to measure transporter efficiency. So you can check with the other accountabilities provided here. And for more detailed information about this job opening, you can have a look on the website link. It will be available on the description. So you please check with the website in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for HC and Insurance Operations Associate position. It is from NTT Data Services for Coimbatore location. So coming to requirements, both undergraduates and postgraduate candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and the candidate should be having good communication skills and customer service skills, and able to work independently, and strong analytical skills are required. Detail oriented ability to organize and multitask, and ability to make decisions. Required computer skills like must have experience with the data entry and word processing, possesses a working knowledge of MS Office applications and understand how to navigate through web-based applications, and demonstrate strong reading comprehension and writing skills. Cognitive skills include language, basic math skills and reasoning ability, and verbal communication skills, and also ability to work in a team environment and handling different reports. IGO, NIGO and production are quality, and to be in position to handle training for new hires and work together with the team to come up with and process improvements. Strictly monitor the performance of all team members and ensure to report in case of any defaulters. Encourage the team to exceed their assigned targets. So these are all the requirements. So please go through the information here, and for more detailed information you can have a look on the website. It will be provided on the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for front office in charge position. It is from BRJ Artho Center, Mac Hospital. So it is for Coimbatore location. So coming to other details, Like you should be having proven experience in a similar role in hospitals and good understanding of office administration, billing, patient care, etc. Written and verbal communication skills are required and able to manage the entire front office team, and any graduation with 3 years of experience is required and should be able to work in weekends if required. So these are the responsibilities and about the job description. So you can have a look on the other details provided here. So for more detailed information, you can visit on the official website link, and I'm going to provide that link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for network administrator position. It is from Pranav Soft Private Limited. It is for Coimbatore location. So you can check here with all the duties and responsibilities mentioned here. So for more detailed information and to apply for this network administrator position, you can visit on the official website link available on the description. So you can have a look on the description for the website link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for technologist chemical expert position. So it is for JF Wind Power located in Coimbatore. So coming to skills and the qualification details. So we should be having BTech or MTech with at least 6 to 10 years of experience as a chemical expert in an industrial environment and experience in chemicals and process guiding in heavy industries related to gear and casting manufacturing, gearbox assembly, and preferably wind industry, and also experience in handling customers and suppliers, and also experience in sustaining environmental standards. So these are the qualification and the skills details. So please go through with the information, and you can also check here with the accountabilities provided here. And for more detailed information, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video, so you can have a look on that once. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.